Stay tuned, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you and enjoy watching. Thank you to one of our sponsors. We have this Mandoline Dial Slicer. So we will try this out and we will cook our vegetables. We open the box, and as you can see, we have this stainless steel slicer, and the blade is here. There's an adjustment on the side, whether you want it, how thick you want the slice of the vegetables. Okay, and you can put it like this and start slicing. Also, there's a hand piece. As you can see, there's this like nails to it to hold the vegetables. We'll set it to julienne. Okay, and we will start slicing our vegetables. As you can see, it did slice into julienne, small pieces, our squash. We will cook it. We will just have to slice this all the way. Just note that the blade is sharp. So be careful also while using the slicer, because you might push it too hard or too much and then get nothing to hold on to. Okay, as you can see, this is the result of the julienne vegetables. It's good because you don't have to exert much effort slicing vegetables. Okay, next is we will slice our onion too, julienne style. We will use the holder for this one. you can see, we can push the onion more, so we can slice it all the way using our slicer. This one is easy to clean too. For the blades, we have this like a toothbrush or any kind of brush, as long as it's soft bristle, that we can use to remove the food that's caught in the blade. It's easy to wash, so it's really perfect. Saves time in cooking, and especially if you have a lot of vegetables to slice. Next is we will slice some apples too, julienne style. We will use our folder. Just enough apple, julienne too for our dish. Okay, we will slice one bell pepper too, julienne style, just to add color to our dish. Now we will just sear shrimp in a pan on low heat. We will just use butter for searing our shrimp. Golden brown on both sides. Okay, we will turn on the other side. Now we will set aside our shrimp. Now we made a mixture of 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, and orange food color. We mix them well together, and now we can add our other ingredients, our onion, our squash, apple will add crunch to our okoy. Okay, mix it all well. And our bell pepper, just to add color to it. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt and according to your desired saltiness, and mix our mixture all together. And now we are ready to fry our okoy using the same pan where we seared our shrimp on butter. Just let it fry on low to medium heat so it doesn't get burned. Okay, we will add some shrimp on top. Okay, here is our finished dish. It's simple. It's for picky eaters, especially those who doesn't want to eat vegetables, but it's really delicious. Okay, we will sprinkle some green onions on top of it. It's time to taste. You can taste the vegetables. The apple has its sweetness, the squash, onion is there. It added a little crunch too, and of course the shrimp. It's delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much and take care. Bye.